In the third part of our presentation, we will discuss how the digital learning program supports the Florida standards and promotes engaging opportunities for both students and teachers. The OCPS Digital Learning Department works to support teachers and students to leverage digital tools for success in the classroom. The department is led by Maurice Dragon, the Senior Director of Curriculum and Digital Learning; Mario Milano, Director of Digital Curriculum; Allison Kibbe, the Director of Instructional Technology and Library Media; and Marcy Wheeler, the Director of Instructional Systems. As part of the Curriculum and Digital Learning Department, digital learning teams focus on supporting students, teachers, and parents with purposeful use of digital instructional resources. Additionally, our teams manage and support the LaunchEd digital learning program. This immersive and interactive learning experience is offered in schools throughout the district. Digital learning combines technology, digital content, and instruction to strengthen a student's learning experience. The OCPS Digital Learning Program strives to pull together curriculum, instruction, technology innovation, instructional systems, assessment, and accountability in a student-centered model. So given the district's emphasis on standards-based education, how does digital learning connect and relate to the standards? The Florida Standards references using technology or digital resources over 40 times in the ELA K-12 standards alone. There are dozens of other references to digital learning in the other standards as well. 20 years into the 21st century has proven that the 4 C's, communication, collaboration, critical thinking, and creativity, continue to grow in importance for learners in today's connected world. Working digitally doesn't necessarily change the process of traditional learning. Take this writing cycle. All of the steps could be done on paper and in a traditional space, but there are several advantages to engaging in this process digitally. One is the ability to share a document quickly and to a larger field of peer editors on an asynchronous time schedule. Another is to edit in real time or to use suggest or comment features to digitally discuss possible changes to a document. There is also the opportunity to share works out to a broader audience via digital means. And of course, working digitally eliminates excess paper use and waste. So in the traditional classroom, what we should see is blended learning. Both paper and digital resources have their place in the toolbox and are used by either teacher or student choice because they are the best tool at the time to support the individual's learning. This supports the future-ready writing put forth by the Florida Standard. Using the combination of available tools, students have the opportunity to research, create, and present information in ways not yet conceived of when many of us were in school. Launched is the District Digital Learning Program that undertook a massive multi-phased approach to the rollout of one-to-one devices and training to the over 200 schools in OCPS. After a 7-school pilot program, it was decided to roll out first with the high schools in the original cohorts, then middle schools, and finally elementaries. The final cohort will begin getting teacher devices and training in the upcoming school year, and student devices will be in place for the 2021-22 school year. The original 7-school pilot taught us many things. One of the main purposes of the trial was to settle on a set of device features to maximize educational opportunity at a price scalable in our large district. A Windows 10 laptop with a solid-state hard drive and a touchscreen was selected. Multiple providers met the specs and supply the devices to the district, maximizing both price flexibility and device availability. From the very beginning of the pilot, Google Apps for Education, now G Suite for Education, has been the production suite platform for digital learning in OCPS. It was selected for its familiar form factors and especially its real-time collaboration capabilities. Cloud storage in Google Drive has also become an important feature as many students and teachers maintain years of stored work now. The pilot also proved the need for a robust learning management system, giving teachers and students a digital hub to communicate, collaborate, assign, and assess. Canvas and its flexible functionality was selected 4 years ago and is leveraged as both a teacher-student platform and as a professional development platform for adult learning. You're using it now. With multiple digital tools requiring numerous logins, it was also decided that OCPS required a single sign-on portal to eliminate instructional time lost by students attempting to log into the various tools required by their classes. Launchpad by ClassLink was selected. We'll take a deeper look at single sign-on, rostering, and content access in the next video.